Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a 3-bedroom, 2-bath manufactured home at 30 Stanton in Harbor Crossings. Harbor Crossings is a land lease community based in Egg Harbor Township, New Jersey. So we started renovating this house a couple weeks ago, and we're going to give you guys an update on the progress. So here you can see everything has been cleaned on the outside. These are the pictures from the before. We had new concrete put in for the flooring, or I should say the walkway out front. Now we'll take a look in through the back. We're repainting all the walls and redoing all the trim. We're going to refurnish the doors. Here's the kitchen that we've taken out a lot of stuff to put in brand new appliances. And here are those old photos. There was a lot of damage to the flooring before, which doesn't really show up that well on the photos. But this house is getting a ton of love, and it's going to look beautiful once it's done. There's that closet in the front. This is the living room, which you've got the super wide area. We're repainting all those walls there, the ceiling as well. The flooring's been primed to put new flooring on top. That's what those boxes is down there. Here are those previous photos. So you can see there, it's a huge room. This is the first bedroom. Got a closet right here. This is the bathroom. Taking everything out. We're gonna put a brand new sink and all new flooring. Here are those old photos. There's gonna be a new chandelier too, I believe, as well. Here's that closet. Now we'll take a look at the other side of the house. Here's the other bathroom. We've taken the door off to redo the hinges and the doorway. This is the water heater door. You can see in the before photos here. Here is the second bedroom. This is the before there. And here is the third bedroom. So you can see we're just giving a brand new lease of life on this house. There's a lot still left to be done, and we hope to have you follow along as we go through the journey of renovating this house. Please go to www.myhomeinharbor.com, and there you can find more information about this project.
Harbor Crossings is a Dolan Homes community owned by the Dolan family. We're a small family business. We've been in operation for almost 40 years now. This is Robert Dolan, who is the managing member of Dolan Homes. We build innovative, quality manufactured homes in our 3 New Jersey communities: in Edison Mobile Estates, Harbor Crossings, and Carteret Mobile Park. This is my husband, my nephew, and my son. This is our amazing crew. Everyone's on board to build you the most beautiful manufactured home. This is our maintenance team in Harbor Crossings. This is our construction team. Our community is a beautiful, safe location. for having a home, making it affordable. Harbor Crossings pays the real estate taxes, so you're leasing the land, and we're building beautiful manufactured homes. This is my husband and myself. This is our office fronting Black Horse Turnpike. You can email us for an appointment. We see everybody by appointment only. This is our office. We have everybody go to the website where all the explanations, the process, and the available homes are listed. We're really proud of our location. We're in the downtown Egg Harbor Township area, just about to be redeveloped, which is called the Cardiff Redevelopment. And it's going to encompass the whole area in which we are located. And they'll be adding more sidewalks and better access to stores on the other side where the old Boscov's and the Harbor Square is located. And it's a very exciting time to be in Egg Harbor Township. We're minutes from the beaches and great locations. So come check us out. We can't wait to hear from you. There's our website. That's where you start.